Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Grayson's Kitchen. I'm Grayson, and in today's video, I'm gonna be making one of my favorite recipes for fall. I thought it would be appropriate to pull out this old recipe that I've had for years, and is for my apple turnovers. It's quick and easy to pull together, and I think your family will love it as well. Now, this recipe calls for just a few simple ingredients: brown sugar, butter, apple pie spice, crescent roll dough, cinnamon, vanilla, Honeycrisp apples, lemon lime soda, and a 9 by 13 baking dish. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so in a little small medium saucepan, we are going to start making our filling that we're gonna pour over our dumplings. Now this recipe calls for a stick and a half of butter. Now I know that seems like a lot, but whenever you think about pouring this over an entire 9 by 13 pan, we need a stick and a half. You may be able to get by with a stick, that's your call, but I've always used a stick and a half. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar. Now, I've always used dark brown. You can use light, you can use whatever brown sugar you want, light or dark. I'm gonna use 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of apple pie spice. Go ahead and give that a stir. Okay, so while our mixture is over here on the stove simmering away, we're gonna go ahead and get our apples cut up. Next, I'm just gonna spray our pan with a little bit of Pam. Give our mixture a stir here. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and get our crescent dough unwrapped here. Okay, so I'm gonna take 2 thin slices per roll. And just roll it up. Seam side down. I have taken these and I have sprinkled brown sugar and all the spices on them before I've rolled them, but it's unnecessary, and you'll see why in just a bit. These are some of the best that I've ever had, and I've made them several different ways, and this is by far the easiest and the best tasting, in my opinion. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, that yielded 17 turnovers. Okay, so you want to preheat your oven to about 350 degrees. It looks like our sauce is ready to go. Okay, so our brown sugar and butter mixture. We are just going to pour this right over. We're just going to pour this mixture all over these dumplings. You want to get it all over them. I'm just taking a spoon if you miss any. Oh, these are gonna be so good. So now for the exciting part, we're gonna take 1 cup of lemon lime soda. I'm using Sprite, and you just wanna pour along the edge. You don't necessarily wanna pour it all over the top because you don't wanna wash your brown sugar mixture off of your turnovers. So you just wanna pour it around the edge. Now, when I first started making this recipe, I thought, Sprite, lemon lime soda, really? I never in a gazillion years thought that the lemon lime soda would do the trick to this, but I'm going to tell you what, as this bakes down, the lemon lime soda reduces to almost like a glaze, and it also soaks into the pastry. I thought it would make the pastry flimsy and soggy. It makes the dough nice and tender, and it helps to cook the apples. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and see how it looks. Okay, 350 uncovered for 30 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and check these out. Beautiful. Look at those, y'all. Look at those. Nice and bubbly and golden brown. These are just beautiful. Oh, those are perfect. We're gonna let those cool for just a minute, and then we'll come back and we'll try one out. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and try one of these. I've been waiting for 30 minutes to do this. So let's just go ahead and grab this one right here. Look at that. Looks so good. And I'm actually going to pair this with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Why not, right? And I'm gonna get just a little bit of the syrup out of here. I'm just gonna drizzle that right over everything. Okay, here's the moment of truths. That is absolutely amazing. Y'all have to try these apple turnovers. The apple is cooked perfectly. The cinnamon, the butter, the apple pie spice, the vanilla ice cream. No wonder I love making this every single year. It is out of this world. And they're so quick and simple to make, y'all. If you are looking for an apple turnover, look no further than this recipe. And that's going to do it for today's recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found inspiration in some way to get in your kitchen and make a batch of these apple turnovers for your friends and family. Y'all are going to love them. This quick, simple, easy recipe takes no time at all to pull together. And perhaps you would consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon, as it will notify you every time I upload another recipe. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.